guys, welcome back to Cooking with Ox. Today we're going to be making bear stew. Now what you're going to need is a pot, a rifle, and a whole lot of ammunition. So let's see if I can find a bear. I think I got one. Okay, so once you have your bear, you're going to need to put it in the pot and start stirring around. Once you feel it has been stirred around enough, it's time to go in the kitchen. You will need 50 grams of sugar and 1 single egg. Cook on stove for 30 minutes and stir occasionally. Wait 24 hours, and when you come back, you will have yourself wonderful bear stew.